Okay, so I wanted to make a art spinner so I can paint. So I went to Target and I bought this 20-inch box fan, and I took it out of the box, and then this cover was on it, so I unscrewed it. There is a front and a back. The back has all the wires, the front has nothing. So I just unscrewed it all, took that off. And then I cut out a 12-inch by 12-inch piece of very thin plywood, and I just screwed it to the center. You have to be careful though, because some of the screws were blocking it from spinning, so you have to keep checking it every once in a while. Now I'm going to take another piece of plywood that I'm going to cut out to make it bigger so it clears the edges, so I can put a larger canvas on here, because right now, if you see, it just goes even with the edge of this gray casing. So I can't put a big one on it right now, so I'm going to have to build this up so it's thicker. So let's see how it goes. The wood I have is very, very thin, and it wouldn't reach over this casing, so I just got some wood strips and screwed those on to build it up. Now I'm going to take, I cut out an 18 by 18 inch piece that I will now screw here, and now it clears it. So let me screw that on. The cord for the fan comes out of the back, which means you can't lay this on a table. It can fall. So I just put it over a bucket. This isn't the best video, but I put it over a 5-gallon pail, and I put it on speed level 1.